Hello everyone, welcome to EG Speak. Today I want to share a story that can change the way you see yourself and the way you see people. Let's begin. There was a young man. He was a good person. He worked hard, he helped others, but still he was not happy. Every day he thought only one thing: what will people think? What if they don't like me? What if I make a mistake? Because of this fear, he always tried to please everyone. He said yes even when he wanted to say no. Slowly, he forgot what he wanted and who he really was. One day, he met an old wise man. The young man said, "My past is bad. People judge me. I feel weak and unhappy." The wise man smiled and said something very simple: "Your past did not control your life. Your fear is controlling your life." The young man was shocked. The wise man said, "You are not unhappy because of what happened before. You are unhappy because you are living for others. You are doing their work, not your." The young man asked, "But what if people dislike me?" The wise man replied, "That is not your job. Your job is to live honestly. Their job is to like or dislike you. You can't control their thoughts, but you can control your life." The wise man continued, "If you want everyone to like you, you will lose yourself. Some people will leave, some people will not understand you, and that is okay. Freedom needs courage, the courage to be disliked." That day, young man changed. He stopped explaining himself to everyone. He stopped asking for approval. He started respecting himself. Some people liked him less, some people walked away, but for the first time he felt peace. He learned one important lesson: happiness does not come from approval, happiness comes from honesty. When you do your work and let others do their work, life becomes simple. So remember, you do not need everyone to like you to live a good life. You only need courage, the courage to be yourself, the courage to choose yourself, the courage to dislike. Thank you for listening. This is Easy Speak. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking.